projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Data Scientist Salary Prediction Using Machine Learning. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. Let us first understand who data scientist is. A data scientist collects, cleans, and analyzes large data sets using tools like Excel, Python, Tableau, R, and SQL. They develop predictive models, interpret data insights, present findings to stakeholders, and deploy models ensuring continuous performance monitoring to solve complex problems and inform data driven decisions. The project's primary aim is to predict data scientists' annual salaries based on factors like company rating, year founded, number of competitors, industry sector, job role, seniority level, and proficiency in skills such as Excel, Python, Tableau, and SQL. This predictive system aims to provide accurate salary estimates to assist job seekers and employers. Traditional methods to detect salary include surveys, company reports, job listings, and HR databases. However, these methods can be biased, quickly outdated, limited in scope, and costly and time consuming. The proposed system employs machine learning algorithms including logistic regression, decision tree, gradient boosting, random forest, and voting regressor to predict data scientists' salaries accurately. These algorithms are applied to collected data to develop a precise model for estimating annual salaries based on diverse inputs. This project improves upon traditional salary detection methods using machine learning for precise predictions. It benefits job seekers, employers, HR professionals, and industry analysts by providing accurate salary insights and aiding in decision making processes. In this project, we have integrated Flask to deploy our project. Flask, a Python web framework, has been integrated into the project for deployment. It facilitates the creation of a web interface for users to input data and receive salary predictions. This integration enables the project to be accessed as a user-friendly web application. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, back-end framework is Jupyter Notebooks, database is SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above.
Algorithms used. These are the algorithms built in the project for estimating the annual salary of data scientists. So here the random forest outperformed the other algorithms, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So here, this is the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. And here, this is the dataset folder. In this project, we have utilized the Glassdoor jobs dataset. Let us open this. So here, these are the different attributes which are job title, salary estimate, job description, rating, company name, location, headquarters, size, founded, type of ownership, industry, sector, revenue, and competitors. So based on these attributes, we will predict the annual salary of data scientists. So this data set is used to train the models. Now let us close the data. This is model file which contains algorithm information which will be loaded into the project code during runtime. This is notebook.ipynb file. This is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. This is signup.db file. This file is the database file used to store user information. First, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So here I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command followed by a space and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Now compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py and hit enter. This command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. If we are new users, we need to register first. So click on sign up link here. So here we need to enter all these details to register. But I have already registered. So click on sign in button. So here we need to enter the username and the password, which are static, and then click on login button. We have logged in successfully and we are redirected to the prediction page. So here we need to enter these values to get the annual salary of the data scientist. So here these are the attributes. Before entering the attributes, let us understand the attributes. So the first one is company rating. The subjective rating of the company's reputation or performance, typically given by employees or industry analysts. Company founded. The year the company was established, indicating its age and potential stability. Number of competitors, the number of competitors in the industry, providing context on market competition. Working in healthcare sector, levels indicating the extent of the individual's involvement in these sectors. Working in business sector, whether the employee is working in the business sector or not. Same as the IT sector, that whether the employee is working in the IT sector or not. Private ownership, level indicating whether the company is privately owned. Working in biotech and pharmaceutical sector, level indicating involvement in this specialized sector. Working as a data scientist, levels indicating job roles and responsibilities. Working as data science analyst, that is whether the employee is working as a data analyst in a particular company or not. Job seniority, whether the employee is having experience or whether the employee is a fresher. Job in headquarters, that is the location of the job, that whether the company is located in the headquarters or not. Understand Excel, knows Python language, knows Tableau, and knows SQL. Whether the employee knows Excel, Python, Tableau, and SQL. The employee should be proficient with these languages. So after entering these values, we will estimate the annual salary of the data scientist. So let us enter the values. So the company rating is 3.8. So I'm entering these values from the data set which I have showed you during the execution. So this is the data set which I have already explained you during the explanation of the code folder. So from this, we will enter the values. So here company rating is 3.8. So I have entered the company rating as 3.8. Company founded 1973 year. Number of competitors is -1. Working in healthcare sector? No. Working in business sector? No. Working in IT sector? No. Private ownership? Yes. Working in biotech and pharmaceutical sectors? No. Working as data scientist? Yes. So here the employee is working as a data scientist. Working as data analyst? No. Job seniority? Yes, because the employee is having experience. So I'm entering all these values from the data set itself. Job in headquarters? Yes. Understand Excel? Yes. Python language? Knows Python language? Yes. Knows Tableau? Yes. Knows SQL? Yes. So here the employee is proficient with Excel, Python, Tableau, and SQL. Since he's a data scientist, he must be knowing all these languages. So here I have entered all the values. Now click on submit button to get the estimate annual salary of the data scientist. So here we can see the outcome, that is estimated salary is 85 85,565 USD per year. So this is the estimated salary for the employee who is working as a data scientist in a private ownership. Since the employee is a senior employee, that is the employee is having the experience, this is the estimated salary. Now click on try again. Let us enter another set of parameters and check the estimate annual salary for another employee.
So here I'm entering another set of parameters for another employee. So the company rating is 3.4. Company founded 1984. So the company was founded in the year 1984. Number of competitors working in healthcare sector? Yes. Working in business sector? No. Working in IT sector? No. Private ownership? No. Working in biotech and pharmaceuticals sector is also no. Working as data scientist? Yes. Working as data analyst? No. Job seniority? Yes, because the employer is having 3+ years of experience. Job in headquarters? Yes. Understand Excel? Yes. Python? Yes. Knows Tableau? Yes. Knows SQL? Yes. So here the employer is proficient with Excel, Python, Tableau, and SQL. And the employee is a senior employee. That is, the employee is having 3+ years of experience working as a data scientist. And here we can see the company rating, which is 3.4. Now click on submit button to know the estimated salary per annum. So here we can see the outcome. The estimated salary is 113965 USD per year. So this is a huge amount. So since the employee is having experience and is proficient with the required languages, this is the estimated salary for the employee. Now let us enter another set of parameters for another employee. So here I'm entering all these values from the test cases itself. So these are the test cases, that is from the data. So here we can see the job title, the job description. So based on this, I'm entering the values. So here I'm entering under employees values. So the company rating is 4.1. Company was founded in the year 2008. Number of competitors working in healthcare sector? No. Working in business sector? No. Working in IT sector? No. Private ownership? Yes. Working in biotech and pharmaceuticals sector? No. Working as data scientist? Yes. Working as data analyst? No. Job seniority? Yes. Job in headquarters, yes. Understand Excel, yes. Python, yes. Tableau, yes. SQL is also yes. So here the employer is again proficient with the required skills, which is Python, Tableau, SQL, and Excel. And the employee is having experience. That is the reason job seniority. Working as a data analyst, and the company rating is 4.1. The company was founded in the year 2008. So these are the values. Now click on submit button to get the estimated salary as a data scientist. So here the estimated salary is 85,565 USD per year. So based on the given inputs, this is the estimated salary. In this way, just by entering the inputs, we can get the estimated salary of an employee working as a data scientist. Now click on logout link here. So we can enter another set of parameters and check the estimated salary for other employees also. So coming to the conclusion, the random forest with its high accuracy and low error rates has been deployed in the front-end application for salary prediction. Uses input factors such as company rating, year founded, competitors, industry sector, job role, seniority, and skills proficiency to estimate annual salary. This ensures accurate estimates, aiding informed career decisions through practical machine learning applications.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.